Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mastaplasta Leather Repair is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use leather repair solutions on the market, perfect for fixing minor scratches, scuffs, and even small holes in your favorite leather goods, from shoes and bags to furniture and car interiors. This video will show you exactly how to use it and what to expect from this amazing product. Number 5. Mastaplasta Leather Repair Patch. Don't throw it away. With Mastaplasta, you can easily repair tears and holes in your furniture and clothing. It's the perfect solution for quick and effective repairs. It works beautifully in seconds. Simply peel and stick it onto the damaged area for an instant fix. It's that easy. From sofas and car interiors to bags and jackets, it's suitable for a wide variety of materials. It even adheres to wood, metal, and plastic. Its breathable material and light reflecting surface help the repair blend in seamlessly. The cushioned backing adds flexibility and durability. For over a decade, we've been dedicated to providing an easy, affordable, and sustainable way to repair your belongings. It's a repair tool you can trust. Bring your favorite items back to life with Mastaplasta's premium leather repair patches. Get yours today. What we like? It's a large patch, perfect for covering significant damage on sofas or car seats. Its versatility makes it suitable for various materials. If you need a quick and easy solution for larger repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. The final appearance when installed integrated well with the background leather of the couch, and the patches weren't noticeable to the casual observer. Only close inspection would one realize the arms were patched. This product was a perfect match. Great product with the look of leather. Easy to apply. Durable. The rubber-like vinyl material gives it a bit of grip. However, the more my butt slides around on it, the easier it's becoming to slide my butt into the seat. It's holding up awesome. Number 4. Mastaplasta Leather Repair Tape. Don't throw it away. With Mastaplasta, you can easily repair tears and scratches on your furniture and accessories. It's the simple solution for a quick fix. It's not just for leather. This amazing tape works on various surfaces including suede, wood, metal, and plastic. The possibilities are endless. Repairing holes, rips, and burns has never been easier. Just peel and stick for an instant, professional-looking result. Made in Great Britain from luxury touch Mastahide leather, it's strong, supple, and blends seamlessly with your existing material. It's a game changer. Since 2009, we've been dedicated to providing an easy, affordable, and eco-friendly way to repair your belongings. Give your favorite items a new lease on life. What we like? This long roll provides a continuous repair solution, ideal for long scratches or tears. It's a cost-effective way to repair extensive damage. If you're looking for an economical way to fix long tears, this is your best bet. What people say. High quality. Used on a boat seat that cracked. It seems to be performing well in the heat. Excellent value and easy to use. Sizing is accurately described. Very impressed with the adhesion in the hot sun all day. Highly recommend. Use this to patch a torn motorbike saddle. So far so good. I live in Florida, it is very hot and the sun beats on it. We sit on it, ride on it. It settled a bit after first install, but it's been a couple of weeks and it has not budged. Looks really good. From a couple feet back it is virtually invisible. Very sticky, prep well before placing, you will not be able to unglue, reg-glue once installed. Used to cover up some tears on a faux leather padded surface exercise equipment. It's lasted years with light use and looks like it did when first applied. Number 3. Mastaplasta Leather Repair Patch. Don't throw it away. With Mastaplasta, you can easily repair tears and scratches on your furniture and accessories. It's the simple solution for a quick fix. It works on leather, suede, vinyl, even wood and metal. This versatile patch is perfect for all kinds of repairs around the house or car. Just peel and stick. It's that easy to mend holes, rips, and stains. It's an immediate solution for damaged items. This high-quality, self-adhesive patch provides a professional finish. It's strong, supple, and blends seamlessly with your existing material. For over a decade, we've been dedicated to creating an easy, affordable, and sustainable way to repair damaged items. Try Mastaplasta today. What we like? Its extra large size is perfect for tackling larger repair jobs. The durable material ensures a long-lasting fix. If you need a heavy-duty solution for large tears or damage, this is the patch for you. What people say? It's held on perfectly so far, matches my seat, and was cost-effective. Soon after I bought the product, my black lab then tore 2 more holes in the back seat with her claws while going berserk barking at another dog on the sidewalk. Slapped on another Mastaplasta patch left over from the first sheet I ordered, and it was almost like new. Stuck very well. I used a ruler for a straight edge so it wasn't all ghetto looking. I repaired a huge tear on a main seat that's used frequently, shows little wear considering its use daily. I also repaired cracks and rip on the side of a seat. Just looks like a seam, it blends well and is very durable. The patch has a thick, but not too thick layer of leather. When you peel the backing off, you can see it is reinforced with a woven fabric making this extra durable. Easy to apply and immediately fix the problem. The adhesion is also very strong, this isn't coming off. Number 2. Mastaplasta Leather Repair Patch. Don't throw it away. With Mastaplasta, you can easily repair tears and holes in your furniture and accessories. It's the perfect solution for quick and easy fixes. Application is simple, just peel and stick. Its strong adhesive ensures a lasting repair that blends seamlessly with the existing material. From sofas and car interiors to bags and shoes, it's versatile enough to tackle a variety of surfaces and materials. It even adheres to wood, metal, and plastic. The breathable material is designed to flex with the surface, and its light reflecting properties help the repair blend in perfectly. Say goodbye to noticeable damage. For over a decade, we've been committed to providing an easy, affordable, and sustainable way to repair your belongings. It's a reliable tool you can trust. What we like? This patch comes in a stylish design, perfect for smaller, more visible repairs. Its smaller size allows for precise application. If you're looking for a stylish and precise repair, this is the perfect choice. What people say? These patches are the perfect thing to repair worn spots that have started to tear. They're easy to use and stay fastened to the base leather. This patch is so pretty, you could stick it in a new chair and it would look like an expensive designer logo. It didn't match the color of my leather to the T, but it works and I had no problem with applying it or it staying on. Number 1. Mastaplasta Repair Patch. Don't throw it away. With Mastaplasta, you can easily repair tears and holes in your furniture and clothing. It's a quick and simple solution for everyday wear and tear. These patches are super sticky and blend seamlessly. They're strong, supple, and work beautifully in seconds, giving you a professional-looking finish. From sofas and car seats to jackets and bags, it's perfect for various materials and surfaces. They even stick to wood, metal, and plastic. The breathable material is designed to flex with your items, and the light reflecting surface helps the repair blend in perfectly. It's a truly invisible fix. For over a decade, we've been dedicated to creating an easy, affordable, and sustainable way to repair your belongings. It's the perfect solution for extending the life of your favorite things. What we like? This patch has a fun theme, perfect for adding a decorative touch while repairing. Its small size is suitable for minor repairs. If you want to add a bit of fun to your repairs, this is the one for you. What people say? This is the 4th time I have ordered this patch. I repair holes in motorcycle seats. Covers a multiple of sins and looks very cool and custom. My husband's motorcycle seat had a small rip, so instead of trying to repair the leather, he ordered one of these. Looks great, and was easy to put on. I first bought this, I believe a year ago, to patch over a hole in a toddler chair that has a pleather cushion and was dead center. This patch not only covered it but has stayed. He has not been able to lift it, survived lots of disinfected wiping, juice spills, butts and legs sliding and standing on it as well as art project time. To this day not even a corner has lifted. I think the patch will outlast the cushion it is attached to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.